Hi, everyone. Today we're looking at a laundry system that lets attendants switch users with a PIN code and print tickets in multiple languages. This makes it easy to serve customers in their preferred language without any hassle. We'll walk through how attendants can log in and print tickets in both English and Spanish. Let's start with our English-speaking attendant workflow. You can see the entire interface displays in English for seamless operation. We'll select this customer order to demonstrate the multilingual printing capabilities. The order details pop up instantly, and we can access all printing options through the convenient menu. We navigate straight to Print Options to see the available ticket formats. With one tap, we can print the wash and fold ticket. Notice how the system automatically uses the attendant's preferred language. The ticket prints immediately, ready for the customer. Here's the result: a professionally formatted ticket printed entirely in English, matching our attendant's interface language. We've successfully printed the wash and fold ticket in English for our first attendant. Now let's see how another attendant can switch users with their PIN code. Let's demonstrate how easily we can switch between different attendants and their language preferences. First, we'll close this current order to prepare for the user switch. See how we can instantly access the user switching feature with this red icon at the bottom right. Each attendant has their own secure PIN code for quick authentication and personalized access. The system seamlessly loads the new user's profile and language preferences. The entire interface has automatically switched to Spanish, giving our Spanish-speaking attendant their native language experience. You can see how quickly we can switch between users using their PIN codes. Now, let's watch as the Spanish-speaking attendant prints a wash and fold ticket in their language. With our Spanish interface active, let's print the exact same order for Amara Okafor to demonstrate the language functionality. We access the order details and tap the three dots menu to reveal our printing options. We select Print Options to access our ticket printing capabilities. We print the wash and fold ticket using the same simple process as before. The ticket prints instantly, ready for immediate use by our Spanish-speaking staff. Here's the remarkable result: the exact same order information, but now completely printed in Spanish with identical formatting and professional appearance. Let's compare both tickets side by side to see how the software automatically adapts the content to each attendant's language. Let's return to the application to wrap up our demonstration. We can close this order and see how the entire interface remains in Spanish for Maria's session. This is how easily you can enable each attendant to work in their native language, ensuring both the interface and printed materials match their language preference. That's how easy it is to switch between attendants and print tickets in their preferred language. Each staff member can log in with their own PIN and serve customers in English or Spanish. Your laundry business can now provide a better experience for everyone.